Is it good? Good afternoon, everybody. We're burning alive in Salisbury. It is hot, 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 far too hot. And too hot to be cooking, actually. But, you know, man's hungry. And I also got this recipe. I quite fancied doing it. So let's go. It's, I hardly dare say the name, but it's Waitrose again. I love these free recipe cards. Anyway, tonight it's king prawns with lime and coconut. All things I love. And my baby homegrown limes, so nothing can go wrong, can it? Okay, let's get cracking. It's easy peasy. It says it'll be out quickly, so let's see how long it takes us. Okay, into the pan we are going to fry off shallots and grated fresh ginger. Okay, and this recipe is for two folks. Okay, you can use vegetable oil or, like me, olive oil, because I love olive oil. Right, okay. Right, saute these off so they're going into the pan. That's 2 shallots and about 1.5 inches of ginger.
For 2 minutes?
For 2 minutes. Oh, he's read the recipe. And it says when that becomes fragrant, we basically kind of tip the rest of what makes our sauce into here. Super easy night tonight. John had a job finding these. I had to go around Waitrose twice. Because these are rice noodles and you just shove them straight in the microwave for 2 minutes. So how easy peasy is that? I love rice noodles as well. So excellent. Again, we picked those up at being a Waitrose card, you just walk around the shop and find everything. This hob is not as good as my Smeg hob in the other house. I mean, it's okay, it's gas, thank goodness. But it's, you know, you either seem to have fierce or hardly on. Oh, yeah. Yes, the ginger is smelling delicious. Thai basil. I was going to say baitazel. I haven't had a drink either. Oh, it's shocking. You can't get the service in this place. Right, this is Thai basil. You just throw a stick of that in. This is, lime leaves. Now, I would say kaffir lime leaves, but they actually aren't kaffir. That'll be on the thing. They're the lime leaves that they were selling in Makut. Yeah, Makut lime leaves. That's 4 lime leaves just scrunched up straight in there. 1 can of coconut. And we go in with 2 tablespoonfuls of fish sauce. I love Thai food. Right, what haven't I got in here? Sugar. That was 2 teaspoonfuls of castor. You can use palm sugar or you can use, they said maple syrup. Well, I didn't have any maple syrup, or at least I can't find it, so we went with the other option. Right, and this is going to be, and that's the zest of my little baby lime. So zest of 1 lime in there. Also the juice. We're going to get it going to a bit hotter, and then we'll turn it down, and it's got to simmer for 5 minutes before we drop our beautiful raw prawns. And that is 165 grams, or shall we make it easy? 1 pack of raw prawns from Waitrose. And they were a good offer actually, because they had a deal on. You could get 3 packs for £12, or it was mix and match. So I got some, I think it was salmon, I got some prawns, and I think I got a chicken or something, all for £12. So that's actually a really good deal.
Right, shall we come back in 5 minutes?
No, guys, my new glasses. I'm trying out these glasses. Well, I'm not trying them out, I'm stuck with them. The optician, because I'm used to carrying around about 3 pair of glasses everywhere with me, the optician suggested when I was in that I try varifocals. So I wasn't convinced, but she said, oh, these are varifocals that I'm wearing. And the girls behind the desk said, oh, we've got varifocals. So anyway, I've got them, and I'm trying to get used to them. These frames are mine, they're Italian. Love the frames. And yes, I'm getting used to them. I'll tell you next week if I like them or not. But I'm stuck with them anyway, they cost a fortune. So just let me go back to this and see if this, See what happens when you take your eyes off the book game? Right, that's going to simmer for 5 minutes. So I'm going to get a glass of wine, guys, while this simmers away. Then when I come back, we're going to chuck the prawns in and we're going to chuck in the bok choy.
How long will that cook?
Another 5. This is going to simmer for 5 minutes, just to thicken up and become a sauce. And then the prawns, just till the colour, I mean literally minutes. The bok choy is going in.
When the noodles going?
The noodles are just heated in. We pour the sauce over the noodles.
Yeah, but they'll need to be set up.
Oh yeah, they only take 2 minutes, so I will.
You need to set those up first then, before you put the other ones in.
Put what in? Okay, I'm just about to put the bok choy in. Beautifully chopped that, John. Thank you very much. And right, let's just stir that in. That's going to be about 3 minutes, but I'm going to add the prawns when it's had 2 minutes. I'm going to add the prawns as well. Okay, the prawns are just going to take literally a minute to cook off in here, but I'm just going to let them settle. My phone's going bonkers. Oh, I'm talking about bonkers. Just had a comment from Jo Willis, and the comment made me chuckle, so I've got to defend John here. The comment was, tell him to be quiet and just get on with the filming while you do the cooking. And then they mentioned some hints about what they use in their tartare sauce. But mainly I want to say I could not do what I do here without John. And he's 100% with me. Yes, he's bossy, but I'm far bossier.
True.
True. And also tonight I'm drinking an organic. I'll show you the bottle later, guys. It's gone back in the fridge because I'm trying to keep everything cool. I'm melting in here. An organic Pinot Grigio from Italy. Flipping delicious. It's perfect for tonight. See you shortly. This is nearly done. Right, okay, guys. And this is the prawns going in. Now they just want to turn pink. I don't want these going rubbery. Fresh prawns are beautiful. Very gently cook them, because as I say, they can turn to rubber very quickly. At the same point though, you must make sure they're cooked. And I did clean them properly, got underneath them and got all the awful poo sack out, which I absolutely hate doing. But there again, I didn't want to eat them like that, so just give that a minute now and that's done. And that is going to pour over our rice noodles. And I have just tasted it and it tastes amazing. As I say, I do love, you've got to love Thai food to enjoy this. You've got to love coconut sauce, but it's sweet, it's salty, it's limey. It's got everything going for it there. And coconutty. Right, this is the noodles just come out of the microwave. Actually, they look really nice. There we are. And just fish out the big lump of Thai basil. Oh, there's another piece there. Thank you, John. Oh God, doesn't that smell good? Now, put some fresh Thai basil on there. The Thai basil differs from your normal basil in the sense it's got a little bit of an anise flavour to it, which goes more with Asian food, and you know, so I can understand why they specifically say use the Thai basil. There we go. I can't wait to eat that. So, a couple of forks in there, and we're going to go and have supper. Do try this. John will sort this so you can get a copy. You can actually go on, I believe, on the Waitrose website as well. But he will make sure you guys have what we've done tonight. Will be up there, okay? Thank you for watching. Keep liking, keep subscribing, and I'll see you very soon when I come up with my next brainwave of what I'm going to cook. Have a very good evening. I'm going to. Bye.